I'm here with the organizers of the Mathematics Research Community's 2016 Week 3 Conference on Mathematics and Physiology and Medicine. So could you introduce yourselves? Go ahead, Johnny.
My name is Johnny Ottersen. I'm Professor of Mathematics at Roskilde University in Denmark.
Mette?
I'm Mette Olofsen. I'm also Professor of Mathematics, but at North Carolina State University in North Carolina.
Adam?
Hello, I'm Adam Mardi. I'm with the University of Oxford. I'm a research fellow.
And Brian?
Hi, I'm Brian Carlson. I'm a research assistant professor at University of Michigan.
And so maybe starting with Brian, what did you think of the conference format, the conference in general?
I think it's a great opportunity to bring projects, at least from my perspective, projects that I've thought about and really have these mathematicians work on them and come up with different, each of us probably had concepts of how each of the projects would go, and I probably guarantee that they didn't go any of those directions, but that's wonderful to actually see how the projects can kind of develop, and when you put different minds on these sorts of projects, new things come out. So I
Adam?
thought that was great.
That's good, Brian.
I do agree with Brian. I would only add that a lot of people were slightly outside their comfort zone, and they seem to really enjoy that. And that created, gave them thoughts for maybe future area of research, but also use some of the tools to translate them into their own area of research. So I thought that was great.
And Mette?
I like the idea of actually going to a conference where you, instead of just listening to talks, gets to do some work. And I think it's a great opportunity for students to try and use their creative skills from the areas that they're usually used to working with on problems that they haven't used to work with.
And Johnny?
It's a pleasure to see all these gifted young people which are enthusiastic about using all their skills, all the learn in mathematics, use it for understanding the world.
And so, just judging by what you just said, it sounds like you're pleased with how things went this week. Is that right?
Indeed, very pleased. The young people have worked and got a long way, I think.
Mette?
I think it's nice, again, to see that everybody seems to be working hard, getting along with their team members, even though they were put in teams where they didn't know each other, just based on initial interest. And my hope is that they will be able to use some of the tools and ideas that they have learned during this week in their projects, and maybe come and challenge the tools that we have proposed, to challenge the problems that we have proposed.
And Adam?
Yeah, we are in a beautiful surrounding here in Snowbird, and that definitely helped people to relax and do some good job.
And Brian?
Yeah, in some ways it's kind of funny. It's almost like we're putting these groups together. They don't know each other. We're in an isolated mountain area where it's beautiful, but that kind of forms this bond. So I think it's going to be a great thing that 10 years down the road, some of these people bump into each other and go, oh yeah, I worked with you at Snowbird, and so I think it's one of those things that actually does develop these relationships that last, a lifetime in these careers. So.
All right, thanks very much.